up everybody? So in today's video, there's an HN meet later tonight and I kind of want to get the car wiped down and cleaned up, so I have some detailer spray. So yeah, this is some detail spray that's safe to use on ceramic coated vehicles. Obviously I got the wipes from Costco, and there's Lorenzo in there. He's just hanging out with me. We're gonna go ahead and just wipe down the car. The title of the video, you guys already know what it is. A Seibon vented carbon hood, the TS style, I believe. So we're gonna install that after I wipe down the car, and then maybe we can go take the car out and take a couple photos. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I got a little carried away and car is pretty much done, all cleaned up, but I decided to clean up the garage a little bit. As you can see, a lot better, less mess to the eye, and now I can pretty much see everything I need. Let me go ahead and show you guys the car real quick. Well, here it is, all wiped down. I went ahead and took all the wheels off like you saw and cleaned the inside barrels because it really needed it. And pretty much just wipe down all the painted surfaces, clean the windows. And it looks really, really nice. Also cleaned the exhaust so that way it doesn't look as dirty. I still need to get it aligned because it's still a little off center. I'm probably gonna pick up with you guys tomorrow because it's really, really hot out. I'm super tired. I heard there's only gonna be like 3 people at that HN meet, so I'm probably not even gonna go. But tomorrow, which will be in a couple seconds, I can go ahead and install the hood for you guys. So see you guys tomorrow in a couple seconds. What's up guys? So today is the day. It is already tomorrow. I just got off of work. We're gonna put on the carbon fiber hood, and hopefully, if the weather permits, because it looks like there's a storm in the distance and the clouds are looking kind of dark. So when we get home, we'll see you guys back at the garage. Okay, well, worst fears were pretty much confirmed. It's about to be a really bad dust storm outside. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a lot of dust out there. And usually with these dust storms, you kind of just have to wait it out, wait till it passes, and nothing crazy, just like the wind kicks up, dust goes around for a little bit, and then it just goes away. So depending on how long this lasts, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to put the hood on. So I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so day came through. What up? What up? What up? Right now, I got the hood popped. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this done. And then hopefully it calms down, and then I can show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down and then go ahead and put the hood on. right now. Way better, right? Damn! Man, that looks crazy. Yeah, I know what you guys think. I did notice the cowl is kind of drooped, but I'm guessing that's because it's carbon. So I'm gonna take the car out with Jay, mine and his, and we're just gonna shoot a couple pictures real quick and end the video finally. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. I know my hair is looking kind of crazy right now, super windy, fought through the dust. Tell me what you guys think of the hood down in the description below. I'm curious to know what all you guys think. Before I end the video, I just want to say big thank you to everybody who's supporting the channel right now. I am getting a little bit of traction. It's not much, it's kind of still small numbers, but for me it definitely means a lot, because you know it means that you guys are enjoying the channel and you guys are enjoying the content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys are new here. All right guys, so real quick before I really end this video, I just want to give a word of the day before I leave you guys. Never giving up. A lot of times we feel defeated, a lot of times we don't get the results that we want, and we want instant gratification, and that's not always how everything works. Things take time, things take even more time. You could go through some ups and downs, but just because the door closes, that means another door opens. So keep it in your mind that whatever obstacles are in your way or whatever is holding you back from whatever it is that you want, just know that it's for a reason, and just try not to fight it. Just let it happen, because that's all part of the process and you should trust the process. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.